Hi, I'm Pellerin, CTOBOB, and today I'll be unboxing a MacBook Air. This is a 13.3 inch variety. It's gold colors, you can see by the picture, and it features a Retina display. So this particular unit comes with 512 gigs of storage space with 8 gigs of memory. So that's usually what I highly recommend in any laptop. This one, apparently, thanks to its M1 chip, the brand new one off of Apple, which replaces the old Intels, is apparently very fast. It gives you an autonomy on the battery of up to 18 hours. So it's supposed to be awesome. So let's go ahead and open this up. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. And to encourage us, please subscribe. You'll see some other great videos coming up. So let's go ahead. Now the box, as all Apple boxes, is a lot of fun to open up. I mean, they've got details in the back. We've got, the serial number and so forth, which I'm going to cover. And it gives you a summary of what's on there. So it's got the 8-core CPU. Like I said, the M1. It explains to you the screen and so forth. But we'll take a quick look as soon as we've opened it up. So the nice thing about them is they have these nice little tabs here. This is my favorite kind of box to open, and you simply pull on it. And it takes the plastic right off. Really nice. And the box, as other Apple products go, allows you to simply pull it up. Kind of like a Christmas present. Very tight in there, so I gotta wiggle a little bit. And here we go. Very solid box. And we're gonna pull on this. Like they've thought of everything. You simply pull on it. And let's take a quick look at what's in the box first before we take a look at the actual unit. So first thing you'll notice is we are using the more popular USB-C for charging. That's right in the box. And those of you who might be worried that there's no charger will be happy to see that there is a charger provided with this unit. And of course there is a bit of documentation in here. It's very light on documentation, like a lot of modern laptops. They still give you some stickers, really nice. They're the same color as the MacBook Air. Now my understanding is the main difference between the MacBook Air and the MacBook Pro at this point with the M1 processor is a fan. So there's a fan on the Pro which allows for better cooling. This one doesn't. Of course, that also means this one will be quieter. If you're living somewhere south and it's very, I guess it gets warm everywhere, but if it gets very hot, this is probably not the best unit. You might want to go for a Pro. If that's not of interest to you, if you're not using it in the sun, for example, then you're probably going to enjoy this one as well. And it is less expensive, of course. So let's go ahead and open it. Again, with the plastics, I'll move these out of the way, as you'll see that it opens up with simply pulling this apart here. It's very simple. And first thing we'll see from the bottom is you've got little feet here. You've got the ventilation at the bottom here, a little slot. And I really like this gold. I mean, this looks like a big gold brick. And those of you who've seen some of my financial videos know that I like precious metals, so it's right up my alley. So on the side, you've got headphone jack. And on the other side, I mean, that's pretty much all there is you've got the 2 ports there. And it immediately comes to life. Let's take this apart. Okay, it's just a protective cover, and everything is gold, including the trackpad. It's very attractive. This is the Magic Keyboard, so they've gone back to an older style keyboard. It's this one should be more durable than the previous generation. If you have a Mac Pro, for example, I understand that these should be better. And you'll also notice that there is no touchscreen. To use English as the main language. And it talks to. This screen is rated at 400 nits, so it's nice and bright, and of course the definition is really good. The resolution being 2560 by 1600, so you've got a lot of real estate on your screen to hold a lot of things you know, side by side and so forth. The big thing as well is from portability point of view, you've got Wi-Fi 6 built in, so connectivity is going to be great and going to get extra speed out of that. And if you're doing a lot of Zoom videos, a lot of team videos, it's got a 720p camera built in right on top there. So this is a brand new MacBook Air. Hope you've enjoyed this video. You can always leave comments below. We do read those. And of course, you can visit us at www.ctobob.com. We'll see you in the next video. I'm Bob Pellerin. Thanks for watching.